This Chromebook configuration update will cover docking your browser windows. You can dock separate windows to the left and right of your screen. This locks those windows into place and prevents them from overlapping. You do this using the keyboard shortcut Alt and the left and right brackets. So if you want to dock a window to the left of your screen, you would use the Alt left bracket. If you want to dock a window to the right side of your screen, you'd use the Alt right bracket. So how would this work? So here I have an assignment and a series of steps I need to complete. But to show my work, I need to do that in a different workspace. I need to do that here in this workspace. Now, yeah, I could go and flip back and forth here between these two tabs, but that can get kind of annoying. It's not being very efficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dock these two tabs, one to the left, one to the right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of them. I'm going to drag it down so it becomes its own window. And now I'm going to use the Alt right bracket shortcut to dock this window to the right of my screen. Now I'm going to click back over here to my worksheet. Now you'll notice I've lost sight of my workspace. So now that I'm in this window, though, I'm going to dock that to the left side of my screen using the Alt left bracket. Haha. Now I can come down and kind of use my cursor to adjust the view of my page. And now I can come over here and I can use these directions to come over here and work on creating my image here using the directions over here. And that is the Dock Your Browser Windows Chromebook configuration update.